All right, hi, my name is Patrick North, and I'm going to talk to you today about imaging system design and analysis. And you can look at this at a number of different levels. So for example, it's all going to start with a camera system. So you're going to have some type of imager. And that imager can be attached to a number of different platforms. So for example, it could be a satellite, we could have an aircraft, or we could even have a ground tower. And all of these different imaging systems on different platforms are going to be looking at some type of target of interest. So we're going to say we're all looking down at the Earth, and we're taking some type of pictures. So you have all your different payloads. You also, and that can be different configurations. You can have multiple options of payloads. You also can attach each of those to a platform. And when you start to consider the whole suite of combinations of payloads and platforms that you could have, that's where you start to create an architecture. And that could also include relays. Maybe you've got some ground station helping you make decisions, and you're going to be sending signals up here to each of these different pieces. And once you start to add some of that decision making, that's where you're going to have your enterprise. And your enterprise is going to be the combination of all these different parameters that you're working with. So when you combine all of these, your primary enterprise outputs are going to be the same as if you were looking at a specific architecture, a specific platform, or payload combination. So you can do this image analysis on any combination of these. And you're going to combine all of these different parameters, and your primary two outputs from this are going to either be images, or it's going to be some type of data metrics. We've got all these different images and metrics which we can now start to combine and say, based on these payloads, platforms, architecture, or enterprise parameters, we are now going to combine these with domain-specific targets combined with these parameters to generate your performance metrics. So you're going to then evaluate this entire system against these domain-specific targets to give you performance metrics. That's it. All right, thanks for watching.